Good morning. This is Dr. Sunita from Brainwave Public School, Nohani, District Ambala, Haryana. This is the virtual inspection video that we are submitting to the inspection committee. Now I am going to tell you about rest of the things. So first of all, I welcome to the school, and this is the entry of our school. Let's have a virtual tour. This is our reception area of the junior wing or school building block A. This is our bursar office. The office attendants are using the desktop and the laptop for the official work here. This is also our fee department as well as the clerical office. This is the principal office. Wider view of the principal office. This is the coordinator room. Now we are entering into our teaching block. As you can see, both the sides of the corridor are the classrooms. First of all, this is the staff washroom for the female. This is the fire safety equipment. Our whole building is covered with fire safety equipments. Cylinders are placed at a distance, and we are also under CCTV coverage. This is our CCTV room. In this room we have a cabinet where we get the recording of the CCTV. These are the classrooms on the left and right side of the corridor. Welcome to the classroom of the junior wing. She is the in charge taking the online class. This is the washroom for girl students. Now we are entering into the classroom. Here the teacher is recording the video for next day online class. Another classroom. Teacher is taking online class. One more classroom. Here the teacher is also recording the video for the next day online class. Moving toward the washing area. This is the space for hand wash as well as drinking water. CCTV coverage. This is the washroom for boys. Partition has been given between the urinals. Moving through the corridors, this is the another classroom. Teacher taking online class. She is explaining the concept with the help of voice note. CCTV coverage in the classroom. Whole of the building is covered under CCTV cameras. Either it is classroom or the corridors or the offices. Another classroom where teacher is preparing the video for next day's virtual classroom. She is recording on the phone. Fire safety equipment outside the classroom. Whole of the corridor that's showing cylinders and the fire safety equipments. This is the staff room. Here the teacher is taking the class of the senior wing on Zoom. Our school is in the rural area, and here somehow is the connectivity issue, so we are taking the classes of the students on Zoom of the senior wing. For the junior wing, we have WhatsApp groups and plus one app where the work is uploaded, and the students can see that on their personal login ID. All the teachers, whatever the work they are doing in the WhatsApp group, those worksheets and assignments are uploaded on the app. This is the pantry, and there is a fire safety equipment outside the pantry also. Now we are moving towards the first floor. These stairs are for staff only. Students are not allowed to use the stairs. For them we have the ramp facility. So this is the hand wash area on the first floor. CCTV equipment. Now we are entering to our sports room. She is our sports teacher. During the summer season, when it is not possible for the students to go outside for the games, for that purpose we have maintained an indoor sports room where they can use the carom, ludo, chess, and one more good option, that is table tennis. This is our library, and she is our librarian. In our library, we have approximately 4,086 books, along with the daily newspapers, magazines, periodicals, and encyclopedias. Few of the almiras, we are having the space for the next edition. This is our accession register. Adjoining the library, we have reading room for the students. Students are not allowed to sit in the library. They get the book from the librarian and sit in the reading room for the reading purpose. During the routine library periods that are included in our timetable, all the classes are coming to the library. This is our bills file. We also have issue and return register for the teaching staff. All the teachers are getting the books from the library for the reference purpose. Separate accounts are maintained for the teachers. We also have some of the e-books in our library. These are for the purpose of teachers as well as the senior students. Staff room for the first floor. This is the corridor. On both sides of the corridors are the classrooms. You can also see the fire safety equipments. First floor washroom. This is staff washroom for female. These are the washrooms for the girl students. Fire safety equipment on the first floor. Classroom for the senior students. Another classroom. Water arrangement for the students along with water purifier. This is the place for hand wash as well as drinking water. CCTV connectivity at the hand wash area. Corridor view. On both sides of the corridors are the classrooms. This is the staff washroom. for the male staff members. Washroom for the boy students. This is the ramp from the first floor to the downstairs. Students are not allowed to use the stairs. This ramp is for the student purpose. This is the entry and exit door for the students. This was our A block junior wing. Asset of the school are buses. We belong to the rural area, so 95% students are using the buses for commuting from home to school and school to home. This is the block B, senior wing. This is the entry point. Here we have depicted our mission, vision, institutional goals, and some of the motivational sayings for the students. CCTV coverage. This is the entire view of our senior building. It is open from the center. In this building also we have ramp as well as stair. As per the norms of CBSE and state. Now we are moving toward our guidance and counseling cell, or we call it as wellness room. This is our in charge. In this room, students are counseled for their well-being, for the educational, vocational and personal guidance also. The records are kept by the wellness in charge for the various case studies. She takes the regular basis counseling sessions in different classrooms with the help of PPT and all that. She takes the topic as per the level of the class and then guide them for the different issues. If any case comes in front of the wellness in charge, she personally calls the students or the teachers in the classroom, in the wellness room, and guide them accordingly. Next is our computer lab along with fire safety equipment. This is our computer lab in charge. All the PCs are showing different things, like on what. This is our website. This is our school app that we are using nowadays for the purpose of online classes. This app has been made in collaboration with the OP Jindal Global University, the IT cell. This is the teachers page and the admin page. This is the quick link on our website, that is CBSE Academics. These are the datas compiled by the students. This is our YouTube channel. This is the PowerPoint presentation made by the student. These are the models made by the students during their holidays homework. Printers for the better functioning of the lab. Power backup in the form of UPS. The whole lab is connected with Wi-Fi. This is the washroom for the senior students. Fire safety equipment on the ground floor of the senior wing. Now we are moving towards the classrooms. CCTV equipment in the senior wing. Classroom for the senior students. Teacher is taking online class on her smartphone. She's using the lesson plan. This is our smart classroom or multimedia room. We have Educom's smart classroom. One more classroom. Teacher is taking online class. She's explaining her topic with the help of voice note. As you can see, one more classroom. Washroom for girls and CCTV security outside the washroom. Another classroom. Water arrangement for the senior wing along with the water purifier. Corridor covering all the classes and labs.
Nisha Vishwas, I'm in charge of the chemistry lab. Now I will show the apparatus which are available in our lab. These are the some here with the pH test. pH test is used for testing the acid, base and salt. This is a filter paper. These are the capabilities for expunging the melting point. This is what. Now these are the testing through which we will find out the salt analysis process, and these are the various salts which are provided to the students for finding the name of the salt. These are the burners for which they are doing the burning. Now these are the structures which are used to, these are the objects which are used to show the structure of the carbon compounds. These are one more set of the test tube. This is China bead for the doing the crystallization process. These are the chemicals which are used for volumetric titration, and these are the indicators which are used for these titrations. One titration, this is a unit in which we are showing HCl solution, and this is the NaOH solution including with the phenolphthalein indicator. These all are used for the volumetric titration for 11th and 12th experiment. So with the help of this, we will find out the volumetric titration and normality and molarity of the solution. These are the cylinder. This is a pipette for doing the volumetric titration, and this is a clock for noting the time of the duration of the reaction. This is one more set of for the burner, and this is the setting for the filtration of the precipitate. Now some stock is also stored in the of chemistry. This is the stock register of chemistry, in which all the materials present in the chemistry lab are entered for maintaining the records. This is the bill file of all the science separators related to this. All the bills are joined here, attached here. Now come to, these are the various chemicals which are used to do the experiment. Charts which are used during the lecture delivered to explain the various concepts. This is the weighing ladders for measuring the salts, for making the solutions. By the students, which are assigned during the summer holiday project. These are some other charts for doing the chemical reactions of the limestones for the 10th to 12th classes. These are some other models which are made by the students. Now come to the teacher give the instructions to the students before starting the experiment. Great scientist. These are the chart of the modern periodic table for the 9th to 12th classes, explaining the various concepts taught in 9th to 12th classes. Lab and various science concepts. We have tried to beautify our lab in a unique manner.
Now we are moving towards the first floor of the senior building. This is the ramp for the students. Fire safety equipment on the first floor along with the cylinders. This is the wider view of the corridor. Cylinders are installed on the walls. This is our multi-purpose hall or auditorium. This hall, all the indoor activities of the school are conducted, seminars and the outsiders, if somebody is called for the extension lecture, these are also conducted. We have a stage also along with the green room for the cultural programs of the school, power lights for the stage coverage. This is our activity room or music and dance room. We have musical equipments as well as the arrangement for music system. This is a new classroom for the upgradation purpose that we are going to add after the inspection. one more classroom for the upgradation purpose, one vacant room if strength is more and we want more rooms. On the first floor, washroom for the boys for the upgradation classes. Welcome to the maths lab. This is our in charge, Miss Manisha.
There are some models and charts. With the help of these, we can describe different concepts of mathematics to students. First of all, there are a chart of some algebraic identities. And now there are some branches of mathematics. There are some measurements. With the help of these, we can explain students very well. These are the angle sum property of quadrilateral. With the help of these, we can explain. Then sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Next, this is the circle of theorem. With the help of this, we can use many theorems in circle, and this is helpful for class students of class 9th and 10th also. This is midpoint theorem, which states that midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of its. And second is angle sum property of triangle, which states that Next, there is algebraic identity, which is a plus b whole square. With the help of this, we can explain the students very well. Next, this is the exterior angle property of regular polygon, which states that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is of 360 degree. And this is Pythagoras theorem. This is helpful for class 9th to 10th students, which states that the side of any two hemisphere hollow sphere. With the help of this, we can explain the students very well about the concept of hollow sphere. And this is the cylinder, hollow cylinder. And with the help of this pegboard, we can use this pegboard to make squares using numbers. These are the chart of line and angles. With the help of this, we can explain the definition of line segment, ray, etc. These are the 3D shapes, and this is the display board of mathematics labs. This is the chart of types of triangles. This is a meter wheel. With the help of this, we can measure distance easily. These are some 3D shapes. With the help of this chart, students can easily verify the figure and also know their areas. These are the conic section, which is helpful for students of class 11th and 12th. And this is construction of parabola. With the help of this, we can construct a parabola. This is triangle tip. This is magic circle, and this is a machine. This is helpful for junior class students. This is the model of isosceles triangle. This model is used for fraction. These are some figures of mathematics. These are the concept of all angles. Sum of all triangles of a circle is 360 degree. Of this, we can find out area of right angle triangle with the help of a square. This is the quadrilateral formed by the midpoint of a quadrilateral, because when we join these midpoints of a quadrilateral, then it makes a quadrilateral. Area of a rhombus. In this, with the help of this, we can easily explain to students that how they can find out the area of a rhombus with the help of quadrilateral. This is obtuse angle triangle, and with the help of this, students can easily understand the concept of obtuse angle triangle. With the help of this, we can explain the students area of parallelogram. This is the chart of quadrilateral, in which all definitions are described to students. This is it means they have only one terminating point, not only in either of its side. Similarly, all these things, and this is the shape. With the help of this, we can make many different shapes of triangles and also circle, etc. This is the chart of prime and their factor numbers. With the help of these, we can explain easily students the number. And this is the basic concept of mathematics, and students, this will help your student to understand the mathematical concept like natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, etc. This is geometric kit. With the help of this, we can explain the students many concept of geometry, which is very commonly used in mathematics. This is clinometer. With the help of this, we can measure the distance and the height of a building. And this is again a Pythagoras theorem, which is helpful for 10th class most importantly. And this is the chart of triangles, in which all different types of triangles are mentioned very clearly. Now, pure mathematics, positive level mathematics, interesting facts about mathematics, helpful for students of class 10. And there are also some imagery figures of maths. As we see, we have many charts where elaborate the main concept of mathematics. This is also a pair of figures, and this in which we enter all the materials which we buy.
One is for the senior wing and another is for the junior wing. Miss Sonika and Miss Monica.
Good afternoon, ma'am. We welcome you to the physics. Let's have a virtual inspection of our lab.
We have our stock register where record of various apparatuses that are being used in the laboratory have been maintained. Then we have our mirror where we have placed various apparatus safely.
Let's now move to the working table. On the working table, we have arranged various apparatus that are used in different experiments. Here we have potentiometer.
We have Ohm's law apparatus,
Then we have a glass prism.
and we have meter bridge. Then we have our galvanometer and ammeters. Made by one of our students, and this model is based on electric generator. This is a model of hydraulic lift. Model of solar system, grinding machine, our PN junction diode apparatus. Then we have a model to show how day and night occurs.
We have other models which were also made by our students, like this is an electric cooler. Then from the junior wing, a solar system model made by a student, a windmill, an electric bell. Then we have generator, hydraulic lift. Again we have a model of solar system. Giving their understanding.
We have found various charts in our lab so that students can enhance their knowledge through reading them.
The various apparatus that we have placed in our lab
in charge, Mrs. Avantika.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is our Good afternoon, ma'am. This is our biology lab. There are several washrooms. Charts to be the in-depth knowledge about various topics to the students. On the walls, we have various charts of various plants and animals. These are the various models prepared by our students. Technical view of various topics to the students. We have different kinds of slides to show. Models of chloroplast, mitochondria, and RNA, spinal cord. Similarly, we have here various models about different systems of different systems that are present in human body. This is also one of the models prepared by our student. There is a model of digestive system, the circulatory system. There are also the models that are prepared by our students. Model of the kidney, charts from the walls of different plants and animals to give students an in-depth knowledge about the topic of various plants and animals to give a virtual in-depth knowledge about the particular topic to the students. This is our stock register that contains the list of various model specimens that we have in our lab.
This is the washroom, separate washroom for the female teachers along with the girls' washroom. Now we are going downstairs from the first floor to the ground floor. This is the aerial view of our school. These are the grounds. We have 3 grounds: badminton, volleyball and kabaddi. As you can see, along with the boundary wall, there is power backup. We have silent generator. This is our sports teacher. Swings. Swings in the area for the students. This is our inspection documents file. The letter that we have received from CBSE. This is the outer view of our school building. Our mission. our vision, our institutional goals. Now I am showing you NOC from the state. Now state recognition certificate. Documents related to the trust. It is our trust deed. List of the governing body as per CBSE. Affidavits submitted to the CBSE on the prescribed format. This is the certificate regarding the school staff by the management. Another affidavit. Now resolution of the society regarding the upgradation of the school. 3 years balance sheet. This is the FDR's copy. FDR of 60,000 submitted to the CBSE. Now it is the detail about the staff members. This is our faculty list. This is the photocopy of our payroll, previous 3 months. Amount transferred in the bank. This is the bank statement. This is the fee structure of our school. This is the present student strength. This is the certificate from the bank regarding the ECS transfer, and this is the certificate of salary issued by the district education officer. Now the documents about the principal. This is the resume. Agreement. Appointment letter. And the orientation programs attended by the principal. These are the supporting documents This is the doctorate degree of the principal, experience certificate, and the copy of the service book. This is PTI information, appointment letter, agreement, supportive documents. Coming to the librarian, service book, resume, agreement, appointment letter, supporting documents, counselor, appointment letter, agreement, service book, resume, an appointment letter, and supportive educational degrees. Now this is the infrastructure, building map, both the buildings, block A and block B. Coming to the land documents, this is the certificate of land, lease agreement for 30 years, these are the NOCs, fire safety, previous year. This is health and hygiene given by the civil surgeon Ambala. This is the building safety certificate. This is the library details of our school, list of the newspapers and periodicals, details of the various labs, bio lab, physics lab, chemistry lab, teaching aids that we have, details of the maths lab, sports material, indoor sports material that we have, art and craft room. Now FTR of 60,000 that is submitted to the CBSE, EPF transfers of previous 3 months, payment confirmation receipt. This is ESI statement, this is the teacher's diary for the ongoing online classes. This is the list of clubs, houses and cells that we have in our school. This is the report card, fee slip, admission form, clips of the various activities conducted in the school, And this is the CBSE's online application that we have done. This is the registration page, and this is the format supplied by DEO Ambala as per the requirements of the CBSE. So this is all about our virtual tour of Brainwave Public School. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.